style of dress all over my Instagram and Pinterest feed, and I think it's the perfect dress for fall, the perfect dinner date evening event dress, and I want to recreate this today. So I have this lace material on hand. Look at it on the skin. It is like tribal-y, but not really elegant type of lace. I love how this looks. It's from a previous collection of mine, and I have more material on hand, so I figured I'd use it for this dress. I have black scuba knit on hand, which is what I use a lot in my collections. So I have tons of that, and I want to use that for the contrast. It's heavyweight and will give me that full look that I want. So in today's video, we're going to be pattern draping on the dress form, transferring it to paper, pattern drafting, making a test fit, and then sewing the final look. If you are interested in that, you want to make your own clothes or design your own collection, make sure you stay tuned and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any more sewing projects. All right, let's get into it. When draping over the bust, you usually end up creating a dart. You want to smooth out your material as much as you can, and the excess material will become your dart. You can remove this on paper, but that's for another video. To make adjustments to my paper pattern because I'm a little bit wider than my dress form. So I'm doing that here, and I'm dividing the measurements by 8 because there will be 8 different pieces. And I actually only needed to adjust the center front. Everything else lined up and we were good to go. I sewed the test fit off camera, and this is what it looks like, and there's a few adjustments. This is why it's important to make a test fit, and I just adjusted this on the pattern paper and then cut it out of my fabric. Working with prints, you want to make sure that the lines lined up, and that's what's going to make your garment look more high-end. This is the dress portion completely sewn up. I'm very happy with how it looks. Everything lines up and it's a very clean finish. You're going to double the size of your waist at the top of the flounce, and at the bottom you're just going to measure how long you want it, and you're going to make a circular shape. sorry about the lighting here. The sun was starting to set, but you're going to pull your elastic very hard here so that it creates that gathered look. I pinned my front and back pieces together, that way I had less pieces, so it was a princess line for the mesh lining. I added interfacing to my center back, that way it would add some sturdiness to the lace fabric when I add the zipper. Here's the inside of the dress, all finished. The mesh lining was French seam, but everything else was serged inside. I did a top stitch at the neckline. I love how this came out and I can't wait to wear this.